This is a 2012 Ford Focus. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a driver's side impact airbag, a rear window defroster, tinted glass, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 38 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Bravo Chevrolet Cadillac for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1601 South Main Street in Las Cruces, only minutes from Interstate 10. We look forward to serving you.